Today we'll talk about how can you export your data on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then here you will find export. So my data, you just click on it. So then you just click here on download card here. Then it's going to download your data here on your Bluesky app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.